Okay guys, for today's video, gusto kong pag-usapan natin itong personal loan coming from CIMB Bank. Kasi nag-message siya sa akin. Kasi sabi niya, ayan, pwede daw akong mag-apply. But I know naman na mahirap akong ma-approve for a personal loan dahil I'm a freelancer. So, given na freelancer, hirap talaga for a personal loan. Kaya mostly, kapag nasa bank kayo, hindi talaga ma-approve for a personal loan. Parang in terms of the percentage ng mga na-approve, for sure, mababa po yan. But then again, we can try naman subukan itong CIMB personal loan. Kasi sabi dito is up to 1 million pesos daw ang pwedeng hiramin. Pero for testing, ayoko naman po manghiram ng malaki. Maybe 10,000, 30,000, mga ganun lang yung hiramin natin. So, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, kung meron kayong CIMB account, may mga loan products si CIMB which is nandyan yung G-Credit, diba? Or Revi Credit, nandyan din. And then G-Loan. So sila din yung isa sa nagpa-finance ng G-Loan. Meron din silang sariling product nila which they call it personal loan. Ang eligibility ng personal loan ay syempre kailangan 21 years of age ka na. Syempre kailangan Filipino ka, hindi ka US citizen and you are also residing here in the Philippines. You should have a minimum monthly gross income of 15,000 pesos. Which is, yeah, pasok naman ako. Pero kasi dahil freelance ka, wala kang mapapakitang payslip. If employed applicant must be tenured at least 6 months or 1 year. If self-employed business must be operating for at least 1 year. And later on sa application process, may gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na hindi necessarily na self-employed ka or may business ka, ma-approve ka rin. Yan yung papakita ko sa inyo later on. Ano pa ba ang features netong personal loan with CIMB? Well, meron daw credit life insurance na kasama itong application natin with personal loan. So, let's try and go ahead na mag-apply. Okay, so, eto po. Pagka-open natin ng CIMB app, click lang po natin dito sa under applications and then, ayan, apply for a new account. So, scroll po natin sa baba, makikita po natin yung personal loan. Tapos, may terms and condition po to. Ayan, click I have read and then submit. Tapos, ayan, ito. Want to enjoy a seamless application. To enjoy fast and seamless loan application, make sure you meet the following requirement. Again, ito po yung eligibility. Tapos, meron siyang required documents dito na kailangan nating daw isubmit. So, ayan, 1 full month payslip, certificate of employment, BIR 2316 or 1701. So, dito pa lang po clearly na pang employee lang po ang pwede dito. But tuloy po natin. So, ito, how much do you want to borrow? Try lang po natin mababa, 40,000. And then, I want to repay in 24 months. Tapos, purpose of loan, let's try home improvement and repairs. Yan. So, basically, dito, ito na po yung calculated niya based on monthly indicative interest rate of 2%. Which is mababa po 2% lang. So, 2,114.84. And try po natin calculate yan. 2,114.84 times 24 months. Yung 40,000 po ay 50,756 lang po. So, i-minus po natin yung 40,000, 10,756.16 ang interest for 24 months. Divide po natin yan sa principal na 40,000. So, 26.89% for 2 years divided by 24. Ayan. So, ang interest rate po niya ay 1.12% and then the effective interest rate nga po is 2%. So, mababa po to. Kung tama po itong numbers na pinapakita po sa atin dito or like kung ito na po yung final na numbers, magandang deal po ito. Pwede rin po natin baguhin. Let's say 12 months. Ayan. Mas malaki nga po yung monthly amortization. So, let's try 12 months. When we click continue, ito na po yung summary po ng application po natin. Yung desired loan amount, tapos yung insurance fee na babayaran po natin which is 600 pesos. May bayad po pala yun. So, click lang po yung mga declarations. Ayan, basahin nyo po. Tapos, kung okay na po kayo dyan, yan, click I agree. Tapos, i-enter nyo na po yung details nyo like home address, emergency contact, ito yung financial capacity nyo which is ito po yung gusto kong pakita sa inyo. So, yung employment type ko po is self-employed. So, basically freelance. details. Then, business income po, tapos length of year, nilagay ko na dyan. TIN number, then yung business address. Nilagay ko naman po lahat ng information. Tapos, ito po yung application details. Tapos, ayan, nung nasubmit ko na po siya, saglit lang po, ayan, hindi po ako na-approve. Let's try again next time yan. We're sorry, Patrick, we could not approve your application at this point of time. So, nilagay ko po dyan ay self-employed or the freelancer. But, hindi po ako ni-request or hinanapan ng supporting documents like ITR or payslip. Wala po. So, sa tingin ko po hindi po siya para sa mga freelancer or sa ibang ano. I'm not sure I'm just speaking po for myself na yun po yung naranasan ko. Kasi kung pwede po siya for a freelancer or business, di dapat po nag-request ng income documents, hindi po yung dinecline kagad. Hindi ko man lang po napakita yung proof of financial capacity. Meron naman po, bakit naman po wala? Yun lang naman po para sa akin. Though it's not a loss for me na hindi po ako na-approve sa application. Though, masasabi ko po the interest na pinataw po nila or binigay po nila is napakababa for that 24 months or even 12-month na loan term. Mababa po siya. Based on my calculation, it's a good loan na mababa ang interest. And kung yun na po yung final amount, ako po, marirecommend ko po si CIMB. Just note po guys na hindi po to sponsored ni CIMB kasi kung sponsor po yun, dapat in-approve po nila ako. For our question of the day po, meron po ba kayong same dilemma na ganito? Meron naman po kayong kakayahan na magbayad and meron kayong even documents pero hindi ito kinonsider nung nagpapautang sa inyo. Meron po ba kayong relatable experience? Yan, let me know po sa comment section sa baba at may chance po kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway and also syempre sa ating cellphone giveaway. Last na po for the month of August. Before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout po kay Cesar Calahate at Cesar Calahate 0727. Sabi po niya, watching always sir, more react sa mga ola-la. Kay Cesar Calahate, yan, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!